This is going to help arthritis and general tendonitis pain, basically any type of pains that are in shallow joint areas. It does pretty good. Elbows, this also works with pretty good. Ankles. This will help a lot with general hand pain. This is called contrast baths. What we're going to do is add hot water in one bowl, cold water in another, and we're going to alternate placing our painful hand or whatever it is that you're using back and forth between the two temperatures. Let's try that one. 50, 53. Okay, perfect. So you're going to fill up a bowl with hot water between 106, 113 degrees, and then you're going to fill up a bowl with cold water between 47 and 60 degrees. You will start with the warm water. The perfect ratio here is basically 4 to 1. So 4 minutes to 1 minute. Start with the warm water, 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to go to the cold water for 1 minute. We alternate this back and forth 4 to 5 times, around 20 minutes or so. And into the cold water now. Woo, for 1 minute. For 1 minute. Back over to the warm. Your body temperature may warm up your cold bath, so just keep an eye on it. That looks still around 54 degrees, so we're good. And back. Back again. So obviously you can't feel my hands right now. You can't feel the difference between them, but this hand is crazy lightning fast and has zero pain at all. I'm just kidding. I didn't really have any pain before this. I didn't have any problems with it before, but if you do, give this a shot. It's definitely worth a try. How it's working is when you're putting your hand in the warm water, you're basically vasodilating all of your little capillaries throughout the area that's being dipped in there. It's increasing the blood flow in there. Then when we switch it back over to the cold, we're going to constrict all those, and this alternating back and forth between those two is basically doing this pumping effect of adding more blood to the area. When we add more blood to the area, more healing can happen. So give it a shot, see if it helps. It's pretty easy to do, pretty easy to set up, and hopefully it's helpful for you.